Tonight, more community leaders and family members are calling for the U.S. Justice Department to step in and conduct its own investigation into the shooting death of Sammie Davis Jr. Earlier this week, the Bibb County District Attorney announced he would not charge the officer who killed him. 41 NBC's Amanda Castro takes us into the ongoing quest for justice.
Former Macon Mayor C. Jack Ellis says the U.S. Department of Justice needs to take a second look into this investigation. He believes the GBI report isn't accurate, and during this 2.5-month-long investigation, he says Sammie Davis Jr.'s civil rights were violated.
I'm very concerned after reading this report that justice has not been done here.
That's why former Macon Mayor C. Jack Ellis, along with City Councilman Henry Gibson and Sammie Davis Jr.'s sister, Cheryl Davis, are calling on the U.S. Department of Justice to step in.
I believe that Sammie Davis Jr.'s civil rights have been violated. I don't think he's had due process, any of those things that our Constitution gives us as citizens. I don't think he's been given those rights.
Earlier this week, Bibb County District Attorney David Cook announced he would not press criminal charges against Macon police officer Clayton Sutton, saying the shooting was tragic but justified. We learned Davis had schizophrenia, but Ellis and Cheryl say that's not a reason to kill.
Having a mental condition, the last time I checked, in this country, in this city, in this state, is not a capital punishment.
Somebody's health condition isn't justification for taking their life.
That, along with what they call inconsistencies in the GBI's report, is reason enough for the DOJ to take a second look into this investigation.
We believe that based on his conduct and based on this report, that this officer should be in a court of law.
I just feel that it was enough inconsistency there to bring this case before a grand jury with at least an involuntary manslaughter.
And they won't stop until they get justice for Junebug.
Assembly has a family, a community, and a city that will not allow Clayton Sutton to get away with murder.
Ellis says he's reaching out to the U.S. District Attorney Michael Moore to consider taking on this case. We're waiting back to hear from his office to see if they will investigate. Ellis says he won't stop seeking justice, even if he has to go all the way to the Attorney General.